नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. विशय आसा मायनिंगाचो. कारण जो एक आर्थीक धक्को राज्याक बसला तातूंतल्यान सावरप कशें, मार्ग काडप कसो, आनी जे हजारांनी मायनिंग डिपेंडंट आसात तांचें भवितव्य कितें. आमी पयलीं डिबेट केल्ली ती ज्या दिसाक जजमेंट आयलो त्या दीस केल्ली, पूण म्हाका दिसता 7 दीस एक आठवडो कंप्लीट जाला. चित्र अजून स्पश्ट जायना. कितें चल्लां आनी फुडें कशी वचप हाजेरूय भासाभास दोन मानेस्त आमचे पयलीं आसात गोंयांतले नामनेचे उद्देजक आनी जांकां हांव आतां मिनेर म्हणपाक शकना ते हरीशबाब मेलवानी. स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात जे फाटली डिबेटाक आमचे बरोबर आशिल्ले सुप्रीम कोर्टाची जजमेंट एनालायज करपाक ते भाजपाचे ज्येश्ठ फुडारी आमदार आनी जांकां ह्या इंडस्ट्रीचो खूब अभ्यास आसा निलेश बाब काब्राल. हांव मिलोनी बाब तुमचे कडच्यान सुरवात करता. वॉट डू यू सी युअर सेल्फ एज? आय थिंक आय विल स्टार्ट विथ दॅट. आनी तुमी येताले तेन्ना मायन ओनर मिनेर अशी वळख करून दिताले. आज परिस्थिती कितें आसा आनी तुमी ह्या एकूण सिच्युएशना कडेन कशी पळयतात?
Basically, I am a industrialist. So, whatever happens to the mines, whoever extracts our low grade ore will need my processes to process that ore into a sellable product. So, I will always be in demand. There is no question about it. Having said that, question is now who will mine, because I need feed material for my industry. So, who will mine? That is the question, and how they will mine. But before being an industrialist, I must remember that I am a Goan, and that mud of Goa is in my veins. So, I cannot forget my legacy. I would like to see a systematic and sustainable mining. I don't want to leave behind a wasteland for my children. I don't want to be held accountable for that. So, with all these thoughts, I have formed my opinion on what type of mining we should do, how we should segregate the minerals, and what we should value add to these minerals. In my opinion, Goa can be a very huge mineral processing industry, but unfortunately our government doesn't seem to realize this vision. It is unfortunate. Of course, they have a lot of expert people and others advising them, but our Department of Mines and Geology doesn't seem to have any vision.
आज जेन्ना सगळी लीज कॅन्सल जाल्या, what are your feelings?
लीज कॅन्सल जाले, लीज येतले, लीज वयतले, दॅट इज नॉट ए सब्जेक्ट. प्रश्न कितें आसा की आमची सरकार कशी पावलां उबारता इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, तो प्रश्न. लीज कॅन्सल जाले ते लीज परतोन हाडूं येता, अशें ना की ते जावचें ना. ते मिनरल थंयच आसा, कोणे तरी ताका काडूंक जाय. खंयचे रितीन काडूंक जाय, ताका कोण कंट्रोल करतलो, कितें सिस्टम आसतली, त्यो सिस्टम आमकां जाग्यार घालूंक जाय. आनी सुप्रीम कोर्ट जर जजमेंट तुमी पळयतले, इट हॅज गिवन द वे फॉरवर्ड टू द गव्हर्मेंट. इट इज नॉट दॅट दे हॅव ब्लॉक्ड हिम, बट यू हॅव टू वेक अप एंड स्मेल द कॉफी.
You are saying we are not waking up.
We are not waking up. We are not waking up, no. We are pretending to be asleep. जो न्हिदलेलो आहा पळय ताका तूं उठोवंक शकता. जो न्हिदपाचो सॉंग करता पळय ताका इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट कांट वेक हिम अप.
तुमची सरकार, तुमची मिटींग जाली, तुम्ही इंडस्ट्रीतले मनीस, तुमची बरोबर वेगवेगळी मायनिंग डिपेंडंट जे आसात ते संपर्कां आसात. व्हेरी फ्रँकली सामान्य मनशा खातीर विचारता, कितें आशा आसा उद्योग परत सुरू जावपाची आनी केन्ना उद्योग परत सुरू जावपाक शकता?
आज जेन्ना काल मिटींग जाली, प्रश्न मांडले आनी CM वॉज व्हेरी फ्रँक टू टेल वॉट हीज ऑप्शन्स आर. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज वॉट आय हॅड सजेस्टेड टू हिम द डे द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर केम, दॅट वी शूड लूक एट समथींग एट स्टार्टींग एट 87. जो नोटिफिकेशन येयली तेन्ना जो बिल पास जालें, एबॉलिशन ऑफ कन्सेशन एक्ट फॉर गोवा, I told him that instead of 61, we are in Goa BJP, center BJP, and we should all form in the interest of, forget politics, leave politics, winning, losing election. We should look at the industry as first. Because mining is an industry, you don't know how many people are dependent. There are direct dependents. If there is one direct dependent, there are almost 8 to 10 indirect dependents. This is what I know from my practical experience for the last 30 years. I'm into these activities. So I told him. So then first discussion was that. So then when I went to give facts and figures, telling him, "Ata naga, let us sit with this first point on 24th." That police सांगले. and clarification to सांगतलो. So I gave facts and figures. Second point was that you have a corporation, and without giving leases to anybody, the corporation runs, which he also expressed. But he also expressed saying that corporation jasa is not feasible because again involvement of mining government servants, and again my कोण बसतलो, and again mess जातले पयली भाशेन एक मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट सारकें चलोवंक ना जाल्यार हे आनी कशें चलतलें. सो आपण फॉर ना, पण तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा तें सांगा. तितून प्रताप सिंग राणे साहेब आसलो आमचो सिनियर मोस्ट लेजिस्लेटर 50 वर्सांचो. ताणें सांगलें ना कॉर्पोरेशन करप सारकें न्ही, आनी कॉर्पोरेशन जर केलें जाल्यार वी शूड हॅव अ कॉर्पोरेशन वेअर सीएमान म्हटलें की देर इज नो एम्प्लॉयमेंट एज गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स. It should be totally outsourced. Maybe one person is there and he says that this is a lease, this is a raising contract, remove a tender and work on that. Third option त्याने सांगितलं की I told that त्याने सांगितलं I told म्हणजे त्याने सांगितलं that honorable CM सांगितलं की third is आमचे auction, which I objected. I was the first to object. बाकीचे बाबू करे करे म्हणपा लागलो आनी इवन प्रताप सिंग राणे साहेब वील हॅव टू थिंक म्हणपा लागलो कशें करपाचें हाव वील बाकीचे म्हणपा लागले आनी कोण सगळे आहले ते. सो हांवें सांगलें आय ऑब्जेक्ट कित्याक म्हणल्यार म्हाका एश्युरन्स जाय. म्हाका ऑक्शन करपाक प्रॉब्लम ना, म्हाका ऑक्शन म्हाका लीज होल्डर आतां म्हणटा नॉट बाय नॉट सेईंग टू बाब हरीश बाब बट लीज होल्डर आय एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनी लीज होल्डर. I am interested in my operations of the activity. It's an economic activity. It's an activity which is from where I represent people who are dependent, and I represent them. So I have to be very vocal and very this that you assure me that तुझे जे आसा केन्ना चालू जातले. ऑनरेबल सीएम म्हणपालो 6 म्हयन्यान चालू जातले म्हणपालो. हांवें म्हणलें जावचें ना. हांव म्हणलें प्रॅक्टिकल मनीस आनी जावूंक शकना. हीज इंटेंशन मे बी कितें जालें म्हाका खबर ना. मे बी हील स्पेल आउट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. बट आय टोल्ड मी स्पेल आउट द इंटेंशन्स. How you will start seeing 6 months? To make fresh lease auction करता, when you have to start from scratch. आणि public hearing willing आणि सगळे mining जे एरियान आसा 100% people don't mind mining activities. In that 100% there will be maybe only 40 people who are interested in mining activities. 60 people are not even. They will also come a public hearing. Think about that. So all these things will not lead to a proper thing. And public hearing be आता पण EC condition घातल्या. It seems impossible to start in 6 months. And there are so many related things. It is not only public hearing, it is not only EC. Teka poy tel lagta poy forest even if that area is not forest, you have to get clearances from everybody, Tom, Dick and Harry. To take clearances from Tom, Dick and Harry in 6 months, what Honorable CM says, with due respect to him, it is impossible. And the same thing was shared by my Honorable senior most colleague of mine in the assembly, Shri Pratap Singh Rane, that it is impossible to start. No, म्हणपालो आपण challenge करता. I mean, okay, sir, with due respect to you, तुम्ही करा. Fourth option was dumps जे आसा, dumps, to start auctioning those dumps and start industry. So basically, concession जे आसा is based on the 1906 degree. So what that 1906 is perpetual lease. One side, our government says that आता आम्ही कायदो केला की तुम्ही पैसे भरा आणि तुमचे जागो तुम्ही घ्या. सो तोच तो कायदो न्ही तो. आता 1987 in parliament they passed a bill saying that the concession should be treated as leases. Concession Abolition Act. Abolition Act म्हणजे माझ्याकडे आसा. It was decided in 87. थंय कितें केलें गव्हर्मेंट सगळे आशेचे न्ही हांवूय गव्हर्मेंटान आमी आशेचे चड पयशे येता आमकां डेव्हलपमेंटाक मरपाक मेळटा. थंय एक फ्लॉ जाली की तेन्ना की 87 it should have been, see, you can't have retrospective bills. Retrospective bills, you have to be prospective. So थंय एक लायन येयली त्या बिलाचेर की इट इज फ्रॉम रिस्पेक्टेड अफेयर म्हणजे 61 जे पैसे आहा ते सगळे पैसे घाली करपाक. तितून एक तो ती ऑर्डर आसा म्हजे कडेन. एक कोण तरी मायनर गेलो लीज ऑर्डर
शांतीलाल खुशाल
घोसाले तेजे ऑर्डर आसा. And हायकोर्टान गेलो and it is very well said that you can't be restrictive, you have to be prospective. So with all this material in hand, I am only asking my government that you first go to our central government and say that this bill is effective from 1987. म्हणजे the lease जे आसा, but we will see ते मागीर तेंचो एक legislation आसा. There are some people saying it is in constitutional bench from 98 it is not heard regarding the Abolition Act. Let us leave that aside. Let us first say that first of all MMDR Act has come to Goa from the year 1987. MMDR map was made in 1957.
Yeah.
So we were not there that time. We were in Portuguese time.
Yeah.
So let us do and ask that
So
87.
you are saying 50 years from 1987.
No, I'm not saying anything. So let me come to that point first. So 87 जेन्ना implement झाले, subsequently म्हाका दिसता 2015
Amendment Act.
Act झाला.
हय.
In that, government has seen the problems faced by the leaseholders in operational mines, and it is very clearly said that from the first lease 50 years directly. मागीर माझे कडेन कोण डिबेट करपाक लागले, इवन दो फर्स्ट लीज केन्ना एक्टिव्ह आसपाक जाय. एक्टिव्ह आसपाक जाय म्हणजे कितें म्हणजे आतां 87 जेन्ना लीज दिले 20 वर्सां 2007 आमच्यो केसी जाल्या ताका लागून म्हणजे आमकां हें ना लीज व्हॅलिडिटी ना.
हय, बरोबर.
बट इट इज नॉट अ लीज होल्डर्स मिस्टेक. They have well applied in time. In 2006, 300 people have application to renew their leases.
Right.
The government then, that is the Congress government, had gone knows what they said over that. If they had renewed those leases then,
Or
this problem
denied.
would, huh?
Or denied.
Or denied.
Yeah.
Then it was the fault. They should have replied to the letters. Application are inward केल्ली हा ताका रिप्लाय करूं ना. So there is common cause judgment आसा माझे कडेन दोन बेंचेस आहे खेर आणि मागीर लोकूर आणि हो दिपकानूय दिल्लो आसा. Where it is very clearly mentioned that section new amendment act 2015 चो section 8 9 section आसा पळय that it is not the fault of the leaseholder, it is the fault of the government. And perpetually when they make an application, if you have not decided on application, that means their lease is in force. So based on that, if government makes an 87 on सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाकडे ऑर्डिनन्स फाल्यां काडूंक शकता
हय.
आणि ती जर काडल्यान मागीर असेंब्लीन बील काडूंक शकता म्हणजे पार्लिमेंटान बील पास करूंक शकता. प्रताप सिंग राणे when I explained, he said I will also go to my leaders, I will tell my Congress people that we will support BJP for this legislation. So if everybody is unanimous, it is only for the state of Goa. I don't see why it should not be done.
You find this practical?
एकूच जालें. दुसरो ऑप्शन कितें आसा, if the government is hell bound on auctioning, I suggest to CM that we should also remove an ordinance in saying, because of the industry, because like this type cases are there. I will give you latest 2016 एक लीज जे बिल्ला कडेन आशिल्ले थंय they were not the actual lease, they agreement गफलासो केल्ले खंयचे तरी ओरिसा
Raising, selling.
raising selling केल्ले. They removed an amendment to make बिल्ला to show captive mining म्हूण करून तांकां करून दिले. अशे इन्सिडंट खूब आहा. ते टायम तुजो अर्द वर असोच वयतलो. सो म्हाजें तें सांगपाचें नाका. म्हणजे
तुमच्या
गव्हर्मेंट
कडेन पॉलिटिकल विल आसा हे करपाचें.
ते करून घेवपाक जाय. आणि म्हाका आय हॅव डिसायडेड टू गो. आणि दुसरें जें आसा त्याचो दुसरो पॉयंट आसा हो जालो एक. दुसरो उपाय जालें जे अदरवायज रिमूव एन ऑर्डिनन्स सेईंग दॅट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर जे आसा वी विल इम्प्लिमेंट ऑक्शन करपाक जाय आनी करा. बट लेट दीस लिजीस विच आर देर whatever stay for the next 4 years or 5 years. So because by the time these other auction release karta, you start auctioning them, let them start mining industry. Then 5 वर्षांनी बंद पडलं म्हाका काय फरक पडला.
How practical is this?
Sir, I will start with a gentle correction to Nilesh Babu. First of all, mining not recognized as an industry till today. So you can only
Who
talk
is not recognized? I am recognizing.
under Industries Regulation Act. It is not.
different,
So you can only talk about it as a sector.
Sector, okay.
Anna.
Industry,
एक
I
problem.
recognize the industry because
Thank you.
people are depending.
But
If
make
government
sure
has-
that legislation comes
we will
Yeah.
speak. I will speak on the.
And it is recognized.
and it is recognized because you all have accepted valuable consideration to convert the dumps, the land under the dumps, convert it into what? Neither you can do it as commercial, nor settlement, nor industrial. Simple reason, mining is not an industry.
Yeah.
So that money is lying there. That is one hanging issue which you all have done. Now I am not saying BJP or Congress, but government of Goa has done. Now that is still hanging there. Then was the question of these renewals. So from one blunder to another blunder we are blundering on without solving the crux of the issue. But one thing which he has said very clearly is that 1987 issue, it is 100% correct, should be done. But with a proviso that the mines department, which as it is functioning today, without an engineer, without geologist, what can you auction? You can auction this pen because you know it will write. You can auction this notebook. You are auctioning leases, it is not Bikna. Now in the lease, do you know what minerals you have?
I had a discussion on that also.
They don't have a
Culture-
clue.
No, culture.
No,
culture-
we'll let him finish.
Now come to what I have been screaming for last 5 years. Why is China buying our low grade ore? Show me one mine of rare earth elements in China. There is none. It is all being extracted from our ore. There is a book came out by a very renowned geologist, Ashoka Desai, I think about 15 days ago. He has also published the findings, what I have been saying all along. Okay, I am not a geologist, but I am a practical person. I was born into this field. Of course, I know something. But our government tends to think that all are fools. They are the only people having knowledge. Nilesh Bab seems to be an exception, and I am honored for that. But you listen to people, no? We are talking from some
So, एक
experience.
गजाल on auction, what do you feel?
Auction can't happen for
Why?
two reasons.
Why?
Number one, you don't know what you are auctioning. Number two, you don't have the surface rights. Why will I allow someone to come and sit on my land?
But MCR rule says you can allow.
Can allow, but if I want it, you cannot force me, and if you force me, you have to pay me extra compensation. Whether then in today's scenario it becomes economic. And look at the next 10 years projection. Just yesterday I was in an international webinar, and the finding is that with the new capacities coming online, iron ore prices are not going to rise at least for the next 10 to 15 years. So where is the question of
तुम्ही
finding
म्हणतात
it
की
lucrative?
सरफेस राईट जेन्ना तुमचे कडेन आसा तुम्ही दुसऱ्याक घेवन कित्याक एक्सट्रॅक्ट करपा दितले
Why?
पॉयंट वन सेकंड जर सरफेस राईट गव्हर्नमेंट काढून घेता विच एसेन्शियली बिकम्स लँड एक्विजिशन
Absolutely.
देन गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज टू पे यू कॉम्पेन्सेशन
Extra,
करेक्ट
maybe
per the
4
new act.
times as
Yeah,
per the new act.
एज पर द न्यू ऍक्ट सी एक गजाल आसा की ऑप्शनाचो मुद्दो आत्माराम नाडकर्णीन काल मिटींग जातकीर तो भायर येवन मिडियाक सांगले माय एडवायस टू द गव्हर्नमेंट इन 2014 वॉज ऑप्शन and it stands even now as per this Supreme Court order auction is the only way forward.
But I have no, see, auction, Magal, I am still telling you, okay, technically, mining is not in the industrial policy, is one part of it, which I agree to him. We'll see that I will request Industry Assembly to put it. But for me, it is an industry. And it is a practical live industry which the entire vein of Goa depends from whatever sources
That can't
available.
be denied.
You cannot deny that fact. If it is not done by government, it is the government's fault. So they have to do it. Now, when the topic of auction came, as a technical person, I know everything. I've got all what you can discussion with anybody. Let the top lawyer of government come, and I have only asked one point from Honorable CM. If you tell me whatever I am telling you is wrong, I will shut my mouth. If I am wrong, you tell me this you cannot do because of this. I'll shut my mouth. My two things I have told you. One is ordinance for 87, and the other one keep extending for next 5-6 years the same thing by removing ordinance. So that you can, okay, if you want to go auction mode, there are out of 123 leases, there are more than 200 leases. Please go ahead. There are people who have put PLs also.
Yeah.
Those also used to. Nobody is stopping you from doing that. But first, my industry in Goa should not stop. So for what that, one is this solution, one the solution is extended for 5 years by removing ordinance. So both ordinance, which the central government has to do. So and you start your auctioning process for the others. Nobody is stopping you. So this is my thing. When I said auction tomorrow, where have you the data? Maka म्हणपाक लागला की data has been supplied by these leaseholders to the IBM. IBM has made plans. They know what this is. अरे एक साइडीन सुप्रीम कोर्ट म्हणटा यार सगळे चोर फोटिंग लीज होल्डर. एक साइडीन म्हणटा सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणटा सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट मिशनरी करून तो एजी जावन मायन्स मिनिस्टर जालो सीएम सगळे चोर म्हणटा सगळे. लोक म्हणटा गोवा फाउंडेशन आणि बाकीचे म्हणटा चोर म्हणटा. आणि यू आर रिलायिंग ऑन द ऑक्शन ऑन द एव्हिडन्स प्रोड्युस्ड बाय दिस चोर इन IBM. I'm speaking, I'm saying with integrity and with respect to all the leaseholders. I'm talking practical. So हे चोराचे डेटा घेऊन
आमचेच रिकॉर्ड जर गव्हर्नमेंटान तयार केल्या ते पळयले आणि सुप्रीम कोर्टात दिल्या ते पळयले वो आर्ग्युमेंट जात न्ही.
हांव तेच म्हणटा.
Sir, we have all seen what happened in the e-auction. What were the declared grades and what came out.
I was finishing that. So here, see, for a leaseholder, he has to work as the scenario of the market.
Correct.
When in before 2000, the scenario was very bad. He used to give small mining plans. He used to and work on the small leases. When in 2000 it started increasing, he gave big mining plans, taking bigger ECs and worked. अरे EC हांगा today मायने 20,000 टनाचे आसा. It's practical to चलोवपाक जायना. You have to take practical. So म्हजें म्हणणें कितें हांवें ते पॉयंट ताणें काडलो. तेंचे जर करून तूं शकूं शकता जाल्यार म्हण कसो तूं ऑक्शन तो सांगता ते भाशेन हें वॉक दिसता म्हाका पूण म्हाका हेज्या सकयल कितें आहा तें खंय दिसता ते दिसोवपाक आमी दाखोवपाक हें आसा म्हणून कमीट करपाक जाय तेन्ना ऑक्शन जातलें. सो बेस्ड ऑन देअर मटेरियल यू गोइंग टू ऑक्शन. आय डोंट नो इट इज प्रॅक्टिकल. So this was one point of mine which they said दॅट इट इज पॉसिबल. बरें म्हटलं करा, म्हाका ते कितें करता ते करूं गव्हर्मेंटाचें, म्हाका लागना, हांव गव्हर्मेंट आहा.
Such an auction will be challenged by the people of
I
Goa.
know that. I know that. It will be challenged, of course, without. So I said there are only two ways right now.
And both are ordinances.
Both are ordinances. We require central government help. We require not only help of the central government, we require help of Congress, everybody to come out of this mess of Goa. And I think these are the only two.
तर म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा, आता आमी ह्यो डेट्स आयकतात, डिसेंबर, ऑक्टोबर, जानेवारी, फेब्रुवारी. एज अ पर्सन फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, हे जर खरेंच अशें करून स्टार्ट करपाक जाय जाल्यार ही इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट जावपाक कितलो काळ लागतलो?
कशी ऑप्शन करतली?
कशाय करून तुम्ही सध्या उलयता ती गजाल.
ऑर्डिनन्स फाल्यां
ऑर्डिनन्स इज अ डिफरंट मेजर.
खंयचे म्हणटा
आय एम सेइंग जशें आता सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगला,
Auction.
तुम्ही EIA करात, पब्लिक हियरिंग घेयात, EC
auction.
घेयात, हे करात,
Auction.
ऑप्शन करात, हय जाल्यार कितलो टाइम लागतलो?
बिफोर रिप्लाय एकूच सांगता,
हय
2000 पटनायक जेन्ना गोवा फाउंडेशन घेतलें पळय, तेंचे म्हाजे कडेन पेपर आसा, तेंचे ते दिल्ले पळय तेणी, दे वर नेवर आस्किंग फॉर ऑप्शन. दे वर ओनली अगेन्स्ट द पोल्युशन अँड लॉसीस कॉज. दे वर आमचे थोडे शाणे आसलेले ते ऑप्शन फॉक्शन तितू वर्डिक्टान घातले, मागीर ते वर्डिक्ट चेंज जालो. पूण ओरिजिनल प्ली ऑफ गोवा फाउंडेशन आय हॅव गॉट वेर दे फायल्ड, दे वर नेवर मेन्शनिंग ऑफ ऑप्शन.
If you
कितलो
go-
टाइम लागतलो?
No. Before that, come to a principal point. Even in today's Supreme Court judgment, which has come out in the Goa matter, they have said that auction was for 2G only. And it is up to the state to formulate a policy as to how natural resources are to be allocated. And auction is not the only method. So obviously Supreme Court has given you a way forward, but are you seeing it? Second thing, auction can't happen because you don't have knowledge of what you are auctioning.
करेक्ट, हे सगळे मान्य
Okay.
केले, पण सद्याक जर आमकां एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल सांगता ऑप्शन इज द ओनली वे फॉरवर्ड, मदी मदी मुख्यमंत्री तीच भाशा उलयता,
will be
जर
challenged.
केले न्ही ते सगळे बरें आहा, समजा एक ड्यू कोर्सान केले जाल्यार कितले काळ लागतलो स्टार्ट जावपाक?
One word only, Mungeri Lal ke sunehre sapne. Auction is Mungeri Lal ke sunehre sapne in today's time. Unless you prospect your leases, determine what are the minerals. First of all, government does not have royalty rates for those minerals. They are all minor minerals. State government has to notify those rates. Till today it has not done.
तुम्ही सांगतात की ऑप्शनाच्या मार्गान वचपाक जर ठरयल्यार स्टार्टच जावचे ना.
Start जावचे ना.
ओके. दुसरी गजाल आसा निलेश बाब की पॉलिटिकल विल जाय. आता प्रायम मिनिस्टरान फोन केलो, परिस्थितीचो आढावो घेतलो, बट तुमच्या सरकाराचो सूर जो सध्या आमकां दिसता की स्टेटीचे रेव्हेन्यू व्हडलो अफेक्ट जायना, मायनिंग डिपेंडंट आसात, तांकां आमी पळोवन घेतले.
कितें पळोवन घेतलें?
हांव कितें सांगू, तुमच्या
कितें पळोवन
सरकाराचो
घेतलें?
व्ह्यू, तुमच्या सरकाराचो
काय
व्ह्यू.
ना, काय ना, डोल बोल काय नाका. आमकां मायंड एक्टिविटी आमकां हक्कान पयशे जाय. 2012 जी गोश्ट जाली आमकां पतून नाका, आमकां कोणाचो दोळ नाका, आमकां काळारी काय ना, आमकां काम करपाक जाय. हो मुद्दो आमी फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. आनी हांव हो मुद्दो एज लेजिस्लेचर, हांव हांगा BJP काँग्रेस बी पळयना, एज लेजिस्लेचर म्हाका म्हाजे मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री ती चालू उरपाक जाय. हो म्हजो पयलो मुद्दो.
व्हेरी फ्रँकली आय एम आस्किंग यू दीस अँड इट्स अ व्हेरी सिरियस मॅटर. फाल्यां जर आमी प्रायम मिनिस्टरा म्हऱ्या गेले, म्हणजे तुमची सरकार आमी म्हळ्यार, आणि तुमच्या सरकारान जर सांगले स्टेटीक व्हडलं काय लुकसाण जायना, रेव्हेन्यू आमी
but
पळयतात, आमी डिपेंडंटाक आपूण मार्क
अरे म्हाका
काडटा,
सांग.
अशी जर प्रायम
ना,
मिनिस्टराक
ते
सांगले,
जावंकूच
तुजी
शकना.
ऑर्डिनन्स कशी येतली?
माझे सांगपाचे तू सांगता सगळे पडटा. CM हॅज टू डिसायड ते पयशे. इट इज सी स्टेट चलपाक जाय, फक्त स्टेटीक रेव्हेन्यू येवपाक चलपाक जाय, ओ लोक सर्वायव जावपाक जाय, लोकांचे पोट चलपाक जाय, लोकांचे बाबा आपणाचे फॅमिली चलपाक जाय, हे चलपाक जाय. 8,000 आज घर चलता, तेणे बाबडे लोकांनी त्रास काढले, कशें करून कितें जोडलेले ते मोडले.
आशेचेर काडले, आशेचेर.
आशेचेर न्ही, कितें तेणे बाबा काम करून मेहनत केल्ली, कितें भांगार विकले, सगळे विकले, दीस काडले, केन्ना तरी चालू जातले म्हणून. आतां ती परिस्थिती जावंक शकना. आनी तो पळय सांगता पळय, कोण तर सांगता सुसायड जावंक ना म्हणटा पळय, हांवूय सांगता आतां सुसायड जावपाक लागतलें हे चालू जाल्यार. कित्याक सी देर इज सम टेम्परमेंट,
होप गेली.
होप न्ही, देर इज समथींग वेर पीपल कॅन सी. अरे पयलीं 2012 जेन्ना ओके 8,000 दिले, 12,000 दिले, कितें दिले, ते पयशांनी सर्वायव जायना आज.
बरोबर.
सो आज तो पळय कोण सांगता, तूं म्हणटा पळय की हांगा जे आसा वी आर नॉट डिपेंडंट ऑन मायनिंग. सी दॅट इज फॉर द
तुमचें
स्टेट,
सरकार सांगता.
दॅट इज फॉर द स्टेट. हांव CMक सांगतलो, इट इज फॉर द स्टेट, फॉर द पयशे नाका मरे मायनिंगेचे. कितें ऑप्शन कित्याक करता, चालू कर मरे, पयशे तेजे डिपेंड ना, चालू कर. म्हाजें कितें आहा, म्हाजी इंडस्ट्री चालू उरपाक जाय, हो मुद्दो. आनी वॉट एवर लेवल आय हॅव टू गो नो, आय विल गो. आय
म्हाका
डोंट
एक
केअर.
फ्रँकली विचारता, इट इज नॉट गव्हर्नमेंट्स बिझनेस टू बी इन बिझनेस. at the same time it is every government's business to be business oriented so that employment, economic activity, sustainability आणि एन्व्हायरमेंटाची बरोबर हे सगळे गजाली लक्षात घेऊन इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी कंटिन्यू जावची ही खंयच्याय सरकाराची प्रायोरिटी असता. ती प्रायोरिटी ह्या सरकाराची आसा अशें तुमकां दिसता काय ना?
I feel this government has abandoned its responsibility. They should have, after the first judgment, they should have regulated it properly.
No. I'll come to you.
Where is the regulation?
No, साहेब,
अजून
regulation.
इलिगल मायनिंग चालतं, अजून एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन चालतं.
But they- but-
It is held in the Supreme Court order. Please read it,
No,
sir.
but that is not pointed out. See, whoever has
So,
told,
if
तुका
there
पळय
is
सांगता,
no-
in the Supreme Court order, 2000 जेन्ना 14 मायनिंग 15-16 चालू झाले. See, regulation म्हणल्यार कितें? What Supreme Court had said is it should be regulated. Now it is as per the EC. Nobody can do. There is 20 million cap. There is
Sir,
movement of trucks which are in 10 tons. Regulated trips per day. Now आता
Sir,
दिसांनी
allow me to bring to you Government of India report. They have taken by satellite. And out of the cases of illegal mining in the last 2-3 years, 25% are from Goa.
No.
It is there on. It is on the website of Ministry
But
of
then
Mines.
see, they have not
तुम्ही
gone through
म्हणतात
that.
गव्हर्नमेंट इज नॉट सिरियस.
No,
Government has
no.
abrogated its responsibility.
No. It's not like that.
And
No,
the
I
department
don't
should have
agree.
had proper personnel.
They
Should have employed proper
That I
technology.
agree with you. That I agree with you.
Sir, can you deny that we have no technical people?
Absolutely 100%, 110%.
Can you
तुम्ही
deny
म्हणता
that we have not used modern
सरकारा
systems?
सरकार
110%.
तुम्ही म्हणता सरकारा खातीर मायनिंग हे सेक्टर प्रायोरिटीत ना
No.
आणि तुम्ही म्हणतात की ती
ना, ना,
प्रायोरिटी
ना.
जावची
mining-
आणि त्या
तू
दृष्टींतल्यान
समजना-
इकॉनॉमिक
ना, ना, तू
ऍक्टिव्हिटी
समजना.
कंटिन्यू
It is
जावपाक
not mining
जावचे.
for
तू समजना की सांगता मायनिंग सरकाराक ऍक्टिव्हिटी ना म्हणल्यार कितें रॉयल्टी येवपाक आसा
हय.
खंयचे तरी हे
पण जर एक
कन्सेशनाचेर
इंडस्ट्री बरी भशेन चलतली तितली एक ताका
ते
रेग्युलेशन
रेग्युलेशन करपाक
एक्सपर्टीज
जाय.
आसपाक जाय
अरे करपाक जाय हांव आसा न्ही.
केन्ना कर आनी
अरे
कितें
तू
जावपाक
give-
जाय तें करपा खातीर
ते कोणाक खबर देवाक खबर हांव नका बाकी सांगपाचें म्हाका खबर ना पूण हांवें डिसायड केला की आय एम गोइंग टू बी व्हेरी वोकल. म्हाका सरकार प्रकार काय लागना. हांव इफ इट इज फॉर सरकाराक आय एम अनफॉर्च्युनेटली एन MLA ऑफ द सरकार बट आय एम फॉर्च्युनेटली विथ द पीपल ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. दिस इज माय रोल फ्रॉम टुडे अशें म्हाजें क्लियर स्टँड आसा.
हांव
So
इतल्याचेर
rather than saying
फायनल
the Sarkar's view on industry,
Yeah.
I extend what I am saying. Sarkar is not caring what is happening to the people on the ground.
ओके हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. म्हाका सेंटिमेंट्स सारकी प्रखरपणान गोंयकारां म्हऱ्या पावल्यात. एक सरकारांतलो आमदार आसा, दुसरे त्या उद्योगांतले मनीस आसात. सगळ्यांची एकच भावना आसा की इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी चालू उरची कारण जेन्ना पोटाचेर येता तेन्ना जगांतली खंयच्योच फिलॉसॉफी कोणाच्योच चलपाक शकनात. ताजे खातीर सरकारान ताकतिकेन पावलां उबारून केंद्राक वचून खरेंच ग्रावंड रियलिटी कितें आसा आनी लोकांचेर कितें प्रभाव पडटा हाजो आनी ती परिस्थिती कितली भयानक जावपाक शकता हाजें एक वास्तववादी चित्र कसलोच आव हाडनासतना म्हाका दिसता केंद्रा मुखार आनी प्रधानमंत्र्या मुखार मांडपाची गरज आसा आनी तातूंतल्यान फुडलो मार्ग काडपाची गरज आसा. ते सरकार काडटले तितली ह्युमिलिटी दाखयतले इतलेंच म्हाका दिसता मागतात आमी हांगा बसून ते योग्य काना मेरेन पावचे आनी ताचेर एक्शन जावची
Humility is
इतलेच
the key
मागतात
word.
आनी थांबतात.
Humility
ह्युमिलिटी
is
इज
the
द
key
वर्ड
word.
एंड आय एम व्हेरी कॉन्शियसली युजींग दॅट वर्ड. तो आसची आनी त्या प्रामाणीकपणान हो संवाद केंद्रा कडेन जावचो इतलेच मागतात आनी थांबतात. आयले इतली बरी तरेन मतां मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.